Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our day number 35. The problem is already on the blackboard. We are in the process of learning how to add and subtract like terms. Add and subtract like terms. Here's the problem. We are asked to find the sum of the following three expressions. There are these three expressions we are given and we have to find their sum. 1/2 x cubed minus 5/4 x squared y squared plus 2/3 xy cubed. Second expression, 3/2 x cubed minus 3/2 x squared y squared minus the third xy cubed. Third expression, 9/4 x cubed minus 1/2 x squared y squared minus 4/3 xy cubed. What I want you to do now is to pause the video, copy it down, solve the problem yourself, and then resume the video, okay? You must do it yourself. That's how we learn it. You're not going to learn algebra by watching somebody else solve problems. So pause the video, do it yourself, and then continue. Well, here we go. Here we are lucky. We are lucky in the sense that everything is arranged for you in the proper order. All the x cubes are arranged in the proper way. Or x squared, y squared, they're all arranged one under the other. Nothing is mixed up, and x times y cubed is all arranged together. So all we have to do is add up their exponents, their respective exponents. So let's start the work. Let's first find the coefficient of x cubed. Coefficient of x cubed. That's what we're going to do first. We have 1/2 plus 3/2 plus 4/9 plus 9/4. 1/2 plus a 3/2 plus a 9/4. Well, let's find the common denominator. The common denominator is going to be the 4. Common denominator is 4. How do we convert this 2 into a 4? Multiply top and bottom by 2. How do I convert this 2 into a 4? Multiply top and bottom by 2. Now everything is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And then a 9. So we have 2 plus 6, which is 8. 8 plus 9, well, we know 8 plus 8 is 16, so 8 plus 9 must be 17. 17/4, that's the coefficient of x cubed. Let's make a note of it. The coefficient of x cubed is 17/4. Where should we write it? Let's put our answer. Technically, it should go underneath this column, so let me do it then. When we add up this part here, that's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to add up these three expressions. When you add up all these exponents, we come up with 17/4 x cubed. It goes here. And then now we'll figure out the coefficient of x squared and y squared. So we have -5/4. We have -3/2. We have a -1/2. -5/4, -3/2, and a -1/2. Let's add them up. Again, we need the common denominator of 4. Make this multiply top and bottom by 2. So now everything has a 4. So common denominator 4, we get -5. 3 times 2 is -6. 1 times 2 is -2. 5, -5 and a -6 make it -11. And a -2 will make it -13. -13/4. -13/4. -13/4 x squared y squared. Now we have to figure out the coefficient of x times y cubed, which is very easy because they are all thirds. 2/3 minus a third minus 4/3. Well, they are all thirds, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 4 is -3. So it's -3/3, which is same as -1. Oh, this is very simple, -1. So the coefficient of this guy is just -1, which means it's just negative x times y cubed. There we go, that's our answer. That's your final answer. Because it has a coefficient of 1, -1, which of course we don't write. There is no need to write 1. Everybody understands that if there is no coefficient written in front, it's 1. That was your answer. That's it. And if you want to put it in a more fancy way, with the common denominator of 4 for everything, We could actually write it like this, put a 4 underneath the whole thing, and put down as 17x cubed minus 13 x squared y squared, and multiply this guy, top and bottom by 4. 4 times 4 is 1. So here we have 4, 4 and 4, so we get minus 4x cubed. This is another way of writing the same answer. They are both the same. Whichever you prefer. Some people prefer to write it like this, some people prefer to write it like this. It doesn't really matter. They are both correct. I will see you tomorrow on day number 36. And we'll keep on going and see what happens. My original plan was to end at day 30 for adding and subtracting like terms, but as it is, we are already up to 35. Hopefully I'll finish it by day number 40, that topic. I'll see you tomorrow. In the meantime, if you wish to get hold of me, you can send me an email. Go to any of these website addresses and you'll find a link for email, or you can call me up on the toll-free number that you see there. Or you can go to kashwaniprep.com and you will get the same links over there, the telephone number and the email address, if you wish to get hold of me. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow on day number 36.